70 targeting BRA 050 40-25,000 διπλή επαφή.
Welcome back to Fighter Pilot X. With this video we are going to show how I do loft maneuver with the F-15 Strike Eagle carrying 6x Cbu 97 at a target of SA-10 at base Deir el-Zor in Syria, where now that the Russians left, they left the systems, they are intact, so we need to destroy it in order to cannot be used by the Turkish Friend Forces or the ISIS forces. Let's proceed with the aircraft setup. Stepping into the cockpit, we see the weapon Cbu 97, profile auto, ripple multiple 6 times with an interval of 150 feet, and with the height option for bursting the canister of the CBUs. Because I would like to drop these bombs with a loft maneuver, I need to go to the program page and input the upward angle of my loft maneuver. That will be 30 degrees, which I'm doing this now. And now I will set up in fast forward my master modes and screens for my radar. So I tell to the system what kind of screens I would like to see in each master mode: air to ground, air to air, or navigation mode. I am close to the target, about 40-50 miles. This is the target with a triangle. I am here, proceeding to the IP and then right hand turn to the target. I would like to designate my target in a patch map image, so I set up my left MFD on my air to ground radar. I have put already the crosshair over the triangle of the target, and I will generate first a map that I'm allowed to in 4.7. Map option for the radar, hit the appropriate button and I will start generating the map. The time generation of the map, bottom right corner over there, 654 for my first patch map, to make sure first of all that the radars that I'm going to hit are emitting. I can see the sigillations. I would like a better pictures in 3.3 or a bigger scale, but I need to come closer since I'm seeing the X's on the box defining that I cannot produce a patch map because I'm too far away. The previous patch map was produced at the altitude that I am right now, about 23-24,000 feet. So I wait to get closer in this altitude. I'm quite safe from the system defenses for now. Here is a nice view of our CBUs on the belly of our aircraft on CFT stations. Now that I am closer to the target, I can produce a new image in 3.3 scale. Map, patch option, 1 second, 0 seconds. This is a new map, the horizontal lines denoting that the two radars are emitting, so I'm good to go. I go to target function to designate my target in between the radars. On my right side in the TGP I can see the picture. I do a combat descent maneuver in order to get lower, and probably later on I will have the possibility to execute a zoom maneuver to a lower altitude, to a higher altitude, to produce another more detailed map. Standard combat descent maneuver, inverted, pull to 45-50 degrees, relax, roll upright, adjust your step down, pulling on the stick in order to come gradually and softly to your desired low level ingress altitude. Standard ingress speed, checking my radar at TGP. In this general view of the target area, this is the whole SA-10 system, and the two radars I'm targeting in between is those two over there, so I will try to dimpy over there my bombs. It's a nice view outside of the aircraft flying low. I really love the F-15, it's a great jet. And if we go back to the view, the general view of the target area, I would like to point out the two radars I'm looking for. This one is the aircraft searching radar, and that one is the missile searching radar. I will try to destroy both. Here is a nice view below the aircraft for our bombs. Back in the cockpit, setting my screens, and now it's time to do a zoom maneuver to a higher altitude to produce a better image on my patch map radar left screen, adjusting the position of the target left or right, scale on the radar, no X is there, 0.67, generating a new map, 8, 7, 6, bottom right corner, you see the time for the map to be complete. After the map is complete, I will switch to target function and I will designate one or two of these scintillations. Here is the general area of the target again. Target pod view, target function with freeze picture, position your target, and again combat descent for lower altitude. A little bit aggressive there, no need to be so steep, 45 degrees will do the job. Gradually to extremely low level and preparing for our loft maneuver. Miss Betsy is nagging about the altitude. Approaching for the IP. I already see the SA-10 is targeting me. I see the red light over there. I'm going in towards the target right now. I see the Bonfo line. I hear the missile launch. I see the missile smoke. But because I'm going directly into him, the solution comes behind my jet, so it self-destructs in the air. Lofting 5Gs to 30 degrees. Drop the bombs, slice maneuver to the left, 135 degrees bank angle for 120 degrees heading change from the original ingress heading. Popping chaff flares, low level, and they get the hell out of there. My canisters are traveling toward the target. Here is another missile launch. Here is the smoke from the system. A missile with my name on it, but I don't care. The canisters have started to explode, releasing the bomblets. And the bomblets, they are doing their job by identifying and destroying the targets, producing the havoc you can see on the picture. Egressing, I dodged the missile by doing two S maneuvers left and right, so I destroyed its kinetic energy, and that's all for this short attack demonstration. In the next video, we'll try to do the same attack in a high alert level of the missile system with an F-16, so it will be more dangerous and more difficult, but we are going to show a new maneuver for egressing the target area. See you!